Here are 33 most terrifying sea creatures. The first terrifying sea creature no one talks about is the shadow ribbon eel. A long black eel that hides in cracks so thin, scientists once thought it was only a shadow. And the second is the glass spine shrimp, a see-through shrimp with hidden razor spines that can cut small fish in half. While the third is the night swimmer worm, a deep worm that glows only when other animals come near, drawing predators into traps. The fourth is the bone-jaw snailfish, a tiny deep fish whose mouth is made of exposed bone plates instead of flesh. And the fifth is the red mist octopus that releases a strange cloud so thick, divers say it feels like swimming through dark smoke. The sixth is the hookfin ray, a ray with backward hooks on its wings that scrape anything that touches it. And the seventh is the lantern-fang goblin, a small fish with teeth so big it cannot close its mouth, glowing like a lamp to lure prey. The eighth is the cold-eye isopod that attaches to whales and stares with two pale eyes that never blink. While the ninth is the black curtain jelly, a jellyfish as thin as cloth that wraps around anything warm. The 10th is the iron scale wormfish, whose scales are so strong that even sharks avoid it. The 11th is the whisper shark, a small shark that makes no sound at all when swimming and can appear right behind divers. The 12th is the deep lace urchin, an urchin with long lace-like spines that break off and keep moving for minutes. The 13th is the phantom threadfin, a fish that looks like drifting hair until it attacks in a flash. The 14th is the mud ghost crab, a crab that can melt into mud so perfectly only its glowing eyes show. The 15th is the silver needle squid, a narrow squid that shoots forward faster than any other squid known. The 16th is the blind wallfish, a fish that lives inside tall underwater rock walls and feels vibrations instead of seeing. The 17th is the deep coil serpent, a long thin fish that wraps itself into a tight spring and launches at prey. The 18th is the crimson drop jelly that forms a single bright drop shape before stinging. The 19th is the rock skull loach, a fish with a head shaped like a gray skull. The 20th is the frozen teeth amphipod, a tiny creature with teeth that stay ice cold even in warm water. The 21st is the ghost lantern ray, a flat ray that glows from inside like a floating ghost. The 22nd is the black whip eelpout, a snake-like fish that lashes its tail like a whip. The 23rd is the red flash copod, a tiny creature so fast it looks like a spark. The 24th is the spiral maw worm, a worm with a mouth that spins when it eats. The 25th is the fang spine dragonette, a small fish with hidden venom spines. The 26th is the moon blink jelly, a jelly that flashes like the moon when touched. The 27th is the ice glass sea angel, a pale swimming slug that looks harmless but eats other angels. The 28th is the blue hook shrimp with claws shaped like hooks. The 29th is the sand echo fish that listens for footsteps on beaches. The 30th is the deep ember crab that glows like burning coal. The 31st is the wire spine pipefish with long needle bones. The 32nd is the silent bloom jelly that expands like a blooming flower before pulling prey in. And the 33rd is the ash veil serpent, a thin dark fish that moves like drifting smoke and disappears